Managers and directors, are you frustrated and burnt out by the amount of back and forth that's required between you and your team when they write technical documents, business reports, proposals, or even SOPs? The good news is it's not entirely your fault. Here's what to do to solve it and fix it once and for all. Many managers feel stuck wasting 10, 15, 20, sometimes I've even heard 30 hours a week reviewing their team's writing, whether it be technical reports or business documents, SOPs, proposals, you name it. No one really enjoys this task of spending all this time rewriting and reviewing and giving feedback. It's not fun. Even worse sometimes is you end up rewriting the documents for the team. The problem with this is they're not getting in better and establishing skills. You're spending time on tasks that you probably shouldn't be spending your time on, and this whole process can make you and your team start to feel burnt out. It can cause low morale. These multiple rounds with multiple feedback, no one really enjoys it, reviewers or writers, but it still has to get done, and it has to get done well. So what can you do to significantly reduce your reviewing time? Well, improving the writing skills is one. But one of the things that we've heard is writers often don't know what's expected of them. They seem to say, no matter what's submitted or what I submit, it always comes back marked up in a pool of red ink. I try to implement the changes, and even when I do, it still doesn't work. And reviewers are saying, why can't my team write? This is insane. Why do I have to spend so much time doing this? The truth is there's a mixture of issues going on, which is why you need a customized writing and reviewing process, something that works with your team and your industry. They know specifically how your team operates, so you can create a process that simply gets things done. This is going to be a win not only for you, but for your team and also the company, because you're going to eliminate that wasted time and you're going to be more productive.